Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So another important video related to TCS NQT hiring. So finally those candidates who have missed the exam, now they are getting the admit card again. Means जिन्होंने भी miss किया था, you can see TCS NQT knocking your doors again. So we notice that you were unable to attend the TCS NQT test process scheduled earlier. Assuming that you continue to be interested, we are pleased to extend another opportunity to appear for the test process planned from mid-May 2026 onward. So जो upcoming जो होगा आपका mid-May में होगा. Okay, so you have to fill the form. So those candidates who have missed the exam must check your mail or check your spam whether you got this kind of mail or not. So you have to just provide your basic details and all those, and there might be some deadline, so that depends on the various condition. So just check whether you got this mail or not. So those who have missed, I suggest must apply. Okay, whether you are getting or whether you are prepared or not, must apply, and just go through our video which I have already provided related to the numerical aptitude coding questions, and I've already provided the free preparation material all there. So you can take your time, and yeah, you will be having on May, so you will be getting time, isn't it? Means you have still have around 10 to 15 days, and you have already got some other time. So if you have done some preparation earlier, then utilize this time and must fill the form, because we will get 7 LPA or 9 LPA. So depending on your preparation, especially आप coding पे अच्छा से ध्यान दीजिए, then this is a good chance. So another opportunity to appear for the test process planned from mid-May. So mid-May means around आपका कह सकते हैं 10 to 15th May के अराउंड आएगा. So जैसे ही अपडेट आएगा मैं प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा. So when you will get, then you will get the admit card interface like this. Okay, जिनका भी अभी तक एडमिट कार्ड नहीं आया, no need to worry, you have to be patient, you will get the admit card soon. And still if you have some issue, then I will suggest contact the TCS support team. Okay, or must comment here whether you have exam today or not. So many of the candidates have exam today or tomorrow, so best of luck. Just focus on your preparations and focus on whatever the things you have gone through it. Okay, so you will get the admit card, and those who exam further, you have to go with some important document like any one important card like Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter card. Means एक आपको लेके जाना है, एक फोटो लेके जाना है, and that's it. Means admit card, फोटो और ये बस लेके जाना है. ओके, सो यू विल बी गेटिंग द रिपोर्टिंग टाइम, एंड टाइम आपको पता है कि टोटल 3 आवर देखने को मिलेगा, एंड यू विल बी गेटिंग 55 मिनट्स फॉर मीडियम क्वेश्चंस एंड 35 मिनट्स फॉर द इजी क्वेश्चंस. सो जस्ट यू हैव टू गो थ्रू इट. देयर विल बी इन 2 शिफ्ट्स, मींस एग्जाम विल बी इन 2 शिफ्ट, जैसा कि होते आ रहा है. सो अभी आप क्या कर सकते हैं कि जो भी मैंने प्रीवियस शिफ्ट्स का कोडिंग क्वेश्चंस ऑलरेडी अपलोड किया हूँ रिलेटेड टू एग्जाम एनालिसिस एंड कोडिंग क्वेश्चंस, मस्ट गो थ्रू दैट एंड प्रिपेयर वेल. यू आर गेटिंग टाइम, so there will be good hiring. Okay, that's why they are giving chance again and again. You can see for the first time in the history they are giving the opportunity for 2024-2025. कभी भी भाई आज तक ऐसा हिस्ट्री में टीचर्स का नहीं हुआ. So that's all going on. So prepare well and just give your exam, because getting 7 LPA, 9 LPA in these tough market is you can say a good thing. So utilize this time, and कोई भी query feel free to ask. We can connect on LinkedIn, Instagram or Facebook. And those who got the interview call, just fill our mock interview form. We will provide you complete support and guidance which will help you to clear the interview. We just not provide you the feedback and other things, but we will also do the resume review. So if you want, you can fill, or either you are giving the interview to me or not, you should give the mock interview to your friends and others, so that you will be habituated to the environment, means interview environment. But I am investing your time, that's why I am also charging nominal price. So if you want, you can fill the form, otherwise just give your best. आप अच्छे से प्रिपरेशन करके जाइए. I hope, means I am already providing the free preparation material related to the codings and HR questions and interviews. So just go through that, and important points that utilize this time. That's it, nothing. So many of the candidates are also getting selection. So congratulations to all of them, and best of luck for future journey. And you can ask any query at Insta or Facebook. So कोई भी मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.